Healthy detox juice recipes. Everyone wants to stay hydrated and energized while making sure we don't consume too much caffeine or gain weight. In this video, we'll dive into some healthy detox juice recipes that will help you do just that. Plus, they're extremely easy to make. Fruits and vegetables are plentiful, so why not consume a healthy combo of them in juice form so you can enjoy a delicious beverage and avoid burning away their nutrients through cooking? Before we get started, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive timely updates. Let's get to the recipes. To make a green detox juice with, of course, green veggies, we'll use cucumber, spinach, basil, cilantro, celery, a little bit of ginger, a green apple, and a lemon. Wash your produce and then put the ingredients in the juicer, one by one. The proportion of vegetables to fruit completely depends on your taste buds. You can do 80% vegetables and 20% fruit, or the other way around. With respect to the benefits, this green detox juice will enhance your skin's health and overall glow while fostering good digestion. For antioxidant-rich detox juice of a different color, let's try purple. This kind also boosts skin and digestion benefits. Our purple detox juice contains lime, red cabbage, purple kale, red beets, and some mixed berries for sweetness. First, wash your produce and then place your veggies in the juicer. You can add the berries later, blending them into the juice. Now, behold its mesmerizing purple color and enjoy the unique flavor of a beet and berry mashup. Our last detox juice has a very refreshing color, orange. Its bright hue can easily cheer up any gloomy weekday morning. Ingredients for this juice are carrots, oranges, turmeric, ginger, golden beets, and a lemon. Wash all of these and put them in the juicer. When served in a pretty glass, the juice serves as my morning inspiration. It's not only good for your skin and digestion, but the carrots help improve eyesight, and the combination of ingredients works to improve your overall immune system. That's all for today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and share your favorite detox tricks and tips in the comment box. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.